Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you in-depth reviews to help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're taking a look at the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum. This vacuum packs quite a punch with its 2-motor power suction, HEPA filter, and lift-up feature that allows for versatile cleaning. Let's take a closer look at what this vacuum can do and if it's worth the investment for your home. The Kenmore Intuition is a bagged upright vacuum that offers a blend of traditional and modern features. At 14 pounds, it strikes a balance between being lightweight enough for easy maneuvering and powerful enough to handle tough cleaning tasks. The standout feature here is the lift-up technology, which allows you to press a button and lift the vacuum nozzle away from the floor. This gives you handheld freedom to clean above floors, stairs, and those hard-to-reach spots, something that can be a game changer in multi-level homes. Another key feature is the HEPA filtration system. For allergy sufferers, this is crucial because it traps fine dust, pet dander, and allergens, ensuring the air in your home stays clean while you vacuum. The PowerFlow bag chamber ensures strong suction even as the bag fills up, so you don't have to worry about performance dropping off mid-clean. And when it's time to empty the bag, you don't have to touch any dirt thanks to the no-touch bag technology. With just a button press, the bag seals and detaches, leaving you with a clean, hands-free emptying process. For many users, this convenience could be a major selling point. No more touching messy bags or cups. In terms of cleaning performance, this vacuum is built to handle a variety of floor types. Whether you have carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the adjustable height settings allow you to fine-tune airflow and cleaning efficiency. The LED headlights also illuminate hidden dust and dirt, which is particularly useful for cleaning in darker corners or under furniture. The 3-in-1 combination tool, which includes a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, makes it easy to tackle stairs, furniture, and even pet hair on soft surfaces. When it comes to real-world usage, the Kenmore Intuition does a solid job cleaning both carpets and hard floors. The suction power is strong, and the vacuum lifts embedded dirt and debris with ease. We tested it on various surfaces, including fine dust on hardwood floors and pet hair on carpet. It handled pet hair especially well, lifting it without any tangling issues on the brush roll. Cleaning stairs with the lift-up feature is straightforward. Just detach the nozzle and go. The maneuverability is enhanced by swivel steering, which makes navigating around furniture a breeze. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The vacuum is on the heavier side compared to some cordless models, which may be an issue for users looking for something lighter for frequent use. The bagged design, while convenient for some, may not be ideal for everyone, especially those used to bagless vacuums. The noise level is also on the louder side compared to other models, though it's not unbearable. It's worth considering whether this is a deal breaker, especially if you're sensitive to noise. When looking at the pros, the Kenmore Intuition impresses with its powerful suction, convenient lift-up feature, and effective HEPA filtration. The no-touch bag technology is also a huge plus for hygiene-conscious users. On the downside, the weight might be a concern for those with limited strength or mobility. The noise could also be an issue for some, especially in quieter homes. In terms of value for money, the Kenmore Intuition is reasonably priced considering the features it offers. You're getting powerful suction, a solid filtration system, and convenient features like lift-up and no-touch bag technology, all in a vacuum that's designed to tackle multiple floor types. However, there are some alternatives in this price range that might be lighter or quieter. For example, some stick vacuums or cordless models may provide similar cleaning performance, but with the added benefit of portability and quieter operation. That said, if you're after a vacuum with strong suction, great filtration, and the versatility to clean various surfaces, the Kenmore Intuition offers solid value. Comparing it to other upright vacuums, you might look at the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor. The Shark offers a similar liftaway feature and is also designed for versatile cleaning. The Dyson, on the other hand, may offer slightly better suction power, but it comes at a higher price point. What sets the Kenmore apart is its combination of features like the HEPA filter, lift-up capability, and bag design, which can be preferable for certain households, especially those with allergies. Build quality-wise, the Kenmore Intuition feels sturdy. The plastics are solid, and the joints and connections seem durable. The dustbin and brush roll are designed to be easily cleaned, and maintenance is straightforward. Just empty the bag and clean the filters. Over time, the materials hold up well, and there's no indication that this vacuum would face any significant reliability issues. The self-sealing bag is a clever feature, and it ensures a cleaner, solid, mess-free process when emptying. If you do need customer support, Kenmore has a reputation for reliable after-sales service, though it's always worth checking the warranty details for specific terms. Most users report prompt responses from the customer support team, which is important if you ever need assistance with repairs or replacement parts. In conclusion, the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum is a solid choice for households looking for powerful suction, excellent filtration, and versatile cleaning performance across different surfaces. It's particularly well suited for allergy sufferers and pet owners, thanks to its HEPA filter and pet hair cleaning capabilities. If you're okay with a slightly heavier vacuum and don't mind a bagged system, it could be an excellent addition to your home. Just keep in mind that it might not be the best option for those seeking a lighter, quieter vacuum for daily use. If you're considering this vacuum, don't forget to check out the link to grab it in the comments box below. If you already own the Kenmore Intuition, feel free to share your experiences or ask questions. We love hearing from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more to discover with Reviews Inside TV.